happy to meet you in this one-to-one. Thank you very much for joining.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you
My
so much.
pleasure, Vincent. I think you deserved it because you won the hackathon challenge, right? So that's really amazing experience.
Last meeting, I mentioned that it was a magic. Actually, I didn't expect. It was really unexpected.
Very good, fantastic. That's good. No, so ultimately, when you don't expect an unexpected thing happens, we always feel more blissful. No, like your name, Blissful Workplace Coach.
Even I came to know some of our colleagues in the TLC sent me a message. Then only I realized. Then I checked in the Facebook and found that
Excellent, very good. So what we will do now is this call we will have a structure in which little bit we will know about you because I'm recording and sharing also with everyone. So little bit background about what you do, how did you ended up in becoming a coach, and how did you came to TLC, and then at the end probably one challenge that you want me to help you address you right now so that I can help you to go to the next level. So let's have a quick background, Vincent. How many years you are in this? When did you start?
Okay, very interesting. Actually, I started my career in Trivandrum in a school. I was the admin staff, and then I got an opportunity to work in the Maldives way back in 1993.
Okay.
So I moved and then I joined in hospitality industry. So I learned everything from the hospitality industry, and then I got certified. I'm a certified hospitality trainer from American Hotel and Lodging Education Institute.
Okay.
Plus, throughout my career, I was in human resources and training.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 24 years I worked. In 2018, I resigned. So I worked in Maldives, I worked in Seychelles, I worked in Cambodia.
All beautiful places you have worked.
Yeah, mostly islands. So
yeah, all beautiful islands.
If somebody asks me, where are you working? I normally say that I am working on a sandbank. And it's like a ship, but the ship is stationary, not moving.
Okay. Very nice. Fantastic. Then how did you become a coach?
In 2018, I came back.
Okay.
2004 onwards, while I was in HR department as HR manager, those days the company director asked me, "Hey, Vincent, there are some companies they recruit training managers. Those days it was called training manager. Now it is L&D, learning and development manager, and talent wellness manager or something like that. Now the title has been changed." So in 2004, the company owner, the owner of the company in Maldives asked me to do, okay, Saturday or Fridays or Saturdays, can you do some training? I think some issues with the net connection.
Yeah, that's okay. That happens. Okay. So you're talking about your boss asking you to do training about Friday and Saturday.
Yes. Because they got 6 resorts and 3 ships, so all the staff members were there.
Okay.
And the first training.
Proceed, no problem. Okay.
So that's my training story. So I got certified. The company sponsored me to do the 1-year program through Maldives College of Higher Education. So I got certified. So every 5 years I have to recertify.
Oh, wow.
So this is the 3rd time. Now I got 3 jewels. So every 5 years I recertify. So
very good.
That is my training story.
Oh wow! Okay.
And all these years I was in training and HR, human resource manager, training manager. These positions mostly all international. Most of the international brands I worked, including Jumeirah Group, as a learning and development manager plus business excellence manager. This is my background. But I thought when I was in Maldives, I started in Maldives, then I moved to different countries. And the last position was a cluster L&D manager for a group in Maldives. So in 2018, I resigned. I came back to Trivandrum. Actually, I am not originally from Trivandrum. For the last 10 years, I am staying in Trivandrum. I am from a small town. Maybe you heard about Adur. Adur, Gopal.
Adur, yeah, I know Adur very well. Yeah.
I am originally from Adur, but now I am staying in Trivandrum with my family.
Okay, very good.
Yeah,
that's the place where I started my career. So Trivandrum I know very well.
Really? Okay, so you know Malayalam.
കുറച്ചറിയും മനസ്സിലാവും പക്ഷെ അത്ര സുഖമായിട്ട് സംസാരിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
ഇത് മതിയല്ലേ? And soon after I came back, I joined the BNI Cochin chapter, BNI
Okay.
Cochin chapter. So I'm a member of Achievers chapter in Cochin. So
Very good.
every week I visit and
Every week from Trivandrum to Cochin, you will travel. Huh? My goodness.
that was in the beginning, but after 6 months in 2019, I got an opportunity to work. Now I am connected with the hotel management group in Cochin as a director of business excellence and culture. So
Okay.
I'm developing SOPs and those kind of stuff. Now
Okay.
for the last 3 months, I'm here at home. So all work at home. So
Oh,
I'm
work
not
from home. Okay.
So now I have 3 roles. One is this position plus myself and my co-brother. We are going to launch a yoga training school. So we were planning to launch in April, but because of the COVID situation, we are again planning to have a soft opening in September. So I'm a little bit busy on that. That's the reason why, even though I enrolled in level 3, I couldn't do much. So I'm in the middle of level 2 now.
That's okay. That's okay. No problem. That's okay. I understand because you can't take too many things at the same time, right? So very good, very good. So when did you join TLC? When did you came into TLC? April or May or?
On the 9th or 10th of April.
9th, 10th.
I remember. Yes.
Okay. Very nice.
Yeah. And I got another very small company also. It's called Enso Life. It's a training company. Enso is my nickname.
Okay.
When I was in the hospitality industry, most of the Europeans call me Vincenzo. So the last part is Enso. So now I have a company. It's called Enso Life.
Okay, very good.
Enso means 3 or 4 letters. Stands for E for evolve, N for nourish, Z for zeal, O for outshine. Enso.
Wow. Okay.
And life, LIFE. Learning is fun experience.
Wow, very nice, very interesting name you have. Very good, fantastic, very good.
So apart from hospitality, now I am focusing on other industries as well. That's why I have identified after talking with Sudhir sir, we decided to fix the niche as a blissful workplace coach.
That's a beautiful niche you have. Very good, fantastic. Because every workplace has to be blissful, right? Then the productivity will automatically increase.
Even I developed some of the programs earlier. Now I have to amend it, some of the module items. So once it is finished, I can go online.
Wow, very good. So all these days you are doing offline. Now you have to do everything online now.
Yes. All this year, no more off-site trainings. Everything. So I was connected with the Muthoot Group and some of the hotel management companies in Kerala. So all
everything is shut this year. I think 2020 we have to remove it.
Then accidentally I got your contact through BNI only. We got this your one invitation. Then I attended your free webinar, and then automatically this was the great opportunity for all the members.
Everything happens perfectly, sync, blessing in disguise. Everything happens very well. Okay, that's nice. Very good. So where are you right now, and how can I help you to grow yourself now? Is there any place where you are a little stuck or challenging situation where I can help you right now?
Because of the launching of the school, I was moving around, traveling up and down, and then I couldn't attend even Wednesday. Some of the Wednesdays meeting webinar also I couldn't attend. So now I'm checking all those recordings. Plus now I have started trainers niche blueprint.
Very good. Okay.
So I'm there now.
Okay. So once I have that you will complete in 3-4 hours maximum.
Yes. Then my niche is blissful workplace coach, and my target audience will be not startups, those who have experience for 5 to 10 years, and they are experienced. The companies, the organization, the experience. A lot of complaints. Complaints means guest feedbacks, negative feedbacks, and customer satisfaction index is not up to the mark. So those kind of organizations is my target.
Very good, very good. So you also help the organization to find out their customer satisfaction index? Do you have a measurement parameter?
Most of the companies, they have their own systems. Otherwise, I can help.
Always evolve it.
Yeah,
okay.
work
Very
with
nice.
them.
So predominantly you will work with hotels or hospitality, or it can be any FMCG or-
Mainly hospitality, leisure, travel, and tourism industries. Plus now some of the IT companies also in Trivandrum, the Technopark also approached me to do some training. A few months back, I did before the COVID situation, I did a session for ladies. This was work-life balance. That was a
Wow.
3 hour session.
Okay.
Research. That was an interesting. There was 120 ladies from
Very good.
one of the prominent international company there.
Okay.
So not only hospitality, everybody can now. It is blissful workplace means all organizations comes under that.
Yeah, absolutely. I understand. Every organization requires blissful working place, whether it is only the
I like the
FMCG.
I like the name. Many of my colleagues also like the name blissful workplace.
That's a nice place. Huh? Many people say happy workplace and all. I think blissful is a better name to coin, and you are already
And
very
you
calm
have
and
you have a lot of blissfulness. While I'm talking, I'm getting that. It's radiating. So what is the secret of that?
because I breathe very slowly.
Oh, I see.
Very simple. I breathe very slowly, and I have zero expectations from anyone or anything around in my life. That's it.
So next year, I'm going to certify as a yoga teacher from
Wow,
my
very
school
good.
itself. My
Wow.
school itself. It's called
Which parampara, which tradition are you following for yoga?
Hatha yoga.
Hatha yoga. No, which school? Any specific school you learned it from, or any specific?
No, this
guru?
is the school we are going to open, and the syllabus is from US, the Yoga Alliance US. Yoga Alliance US.
Yoga Alliance. Okay, very nice, fantastic. So you're going to teach Hatha yoga then? Wow.
Yeah, Hatha. So already we got 2 instructors there. We already recruited. One of the instructors is my colleague who worked with me in Maldives while I was working. Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
He also resigned, and then we.
Why are you not starting it online? Why you want to wait till September?
No, our teachers are not interested. So there is no genuinity. That's what they say that. So they are not agreeing. Our teachers are not agreeing.
Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. We don't know how the future is going to be.
Yes, that's true.
You're from the hospitality industry, so you will be knowing all the information around from your friends when the whole industry will open up. How is the tourism industry going to happen?
So I'm conducting a half-day session for the students there, about Indian hospitality.
Okay.
So mostly about the touch points in hospitality. We have to talk about the touch points, starting from the reservation up to the checkout.
Correct.
Similarly, in each and every organizations, we can find out all the touch points. Okay. That's what these are the points I'm going to highlight in my online session.
Very good.
The name is Customer Experience Multiplier Formula.
Customer Experience Multiplier
Formula. That's the level 1. Then level 2 is Customer Experience Multiplier Implementation. And the third one is a mastery of Customer Experience Multiplier 10x.
Okay. So what made you to choose Customer Experience Multiplier? Is there any other reasons for choosing the word that?
Yeah. To improve 10 times. So it is doing. So what you can do differently than others. So we have to do a little bit of research. Each and every companies, they have to do research, and everybody is doing hospitality. That means serving, wishing, and all those normal. So what you can do extraordinary. That's the point.
Can't it be a word customer delight?
Customer delight. Yeah.
Because I always remember one of the world's #1 customer experience coach, Ron Kaufman. I'm sure you also heard about Ron Kaufman. Ron Kaufman is an authority. You would have attended. He uses the word customer delight.
Uplifting his module.
So he uses the word customer experience or customer delight. That's the reason I asked you. Generally in hospitality industry, you always use the word delight. No, you need to delight the customers. No, that's what the word generally used. That's the reason I was very curious to know what made you to choose the word multiplier, customer experience multiplier. Okay.
Customer experience. What you suggest is delight. Okay, I'll make a note. Really.
I just think a customer delight blueprint, customer delight implementation, customer delight mastery, or something. I don't know.
Nice.
How do you bring in customer delight? So
No,
it
I
will
didn't
be
announce it.
applicable.
I did not announce anywhere. Just made a
Oh,
note
okay.
in my diary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe just
Yeah.
think
So
of these word, whether customer delight or customer service. But sometimes the challenge is many common men, they don't understand the word delight. That's the flip side of the word. When you say customer delight, customer
yeah.
service, everyone understands the word.
Yes. 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 Service. Taking care
Yeah.
of others.
Yeah. So that's something. So because I don't know what exactly you're going to cover in the workshop, but I think it will be an amazing program if you can quickly get that out and
Yeah.
share in the world, because lot of people are struggling now. How do they
Yes.
give a customer delight or customer experience online?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Maybe if you want, you can bring the word online also, customer experience online or online customer experience 10x.
Yes. Yeah. Everything is possible. We have to think what is possible now, and we have to
Correct.
think how we can change the mindset.
Right.
Before the COVID and after the COVID, the mindset or what changes we have to make. We have to see that wherever we
How's
work.
your industry? Because the whole tourism industry is hit in a bad way. So, what kind of mindset they are having, and how can you help them?
And nowadays, everybody is preparing, hoping that it will be turned out to be all right in another 2 to 3 months. So, but experts say that this year will be complete loss. Maybe towards the end of this year, there will be 20 to 30% occupancy. Maybe, not sure.
Okay. More of
So,
inbound crowd within the country crowd, maybe out
y-
external may not be there.
yes, yes, yes.
But I think Indian tourism will build, right? Big way.
Because everybody, locals, especially Indians, now staying at home, and they're looking for how we can go out with the family. So that
True.
uh, that attitude we can notice nowadays.
Very true. Very true.
Yeah,
I think you should tie up and you should start doing a lot of videos on that, because since you have worked in various
brands.
beautiful places,
Mm.
okay, beautiful places, so probably you should start teaching everyone what kind of place they have to select for, or how they can actually go for a holiday, make the holiday also blissful.
Yes, 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 yes. All these points in my mind. Now, one thing is that I was worried when everything shut down and what I am supposed to do at home. So I got this your link, the
Hmm.
first webinar, and everything changed. So
Okay.
all my mood changed. Now my family members are asking long hours. I'm sitting in front of computer. They're asking me what you're doing. Okay, those years if you would have studied better, now you might be a collector like this
Hmm.
district
Yes.
collector.
Correct. Very true. They're pulling your legs now. Okay, good. So, what's your plan? What's your goal for the next 6 months? Where are you going? Where are you heading? Any specific plans you have right now?
Um, Now I have to help my other company, the hotel management company, to implement the SOPs. That is one thing. So my time I'm going to divide into three.
Okay.
One part is 10 days for this company, and 10 days for my yoga center, and the 10
Hmm.
days for 10 days for Enso Life,
Okay.
blissful workplace coach. So
Oh, wow.
next step,
So the
next step.
blissful workplace comes under Enzo Life then.
Yes, yes, yes. Enso Life.
Okay, very good, very good. Is there a possibility for you to work all the three in the same day instead of 10 days?
Yeah, I had to see it, but initially I thought about like this because I had to physically go there, Cochin. From Trivandrum, I had to go to Cochin for the to associate with the hotel management
Even
company.
now also you have to go, because right now how is the
No, I'm not
lockdown
going there.
situation?
Zoom
Okay,
meetings only. Zoom meetings
okay,
only happening.
okay.
But the other place, the yoga center, I used to go weekly once I go there.
Now, can you divide the whole day into 3 hours chunk? 3 hours for this business, 3 hours for this, and 3 hours for this. So that's how I
That's
run my three businesses. That's the reason I'm asking you.
yeah, great idea. That's great idea. I didn't think about it, so I'm going to make a note and I'll work on that. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, because I also run three different businesses. So the only way is I can't give one full day for anything. So I have to put blocks of three hours and plan it. And another 3 hours is relaxation and do whatever you want, and with family and everything. So thereby it's
Okay,
easy to pull all the three at the same time if you want.
okay, okay.
But again,
So
it all depends upon your priorities, I believe. So then only it's possible for you to work accordingly.
okay. Now I have to find time. That's time management is important.
Hmm.
Yes.
No, I think you have a lot of time. You all you need is just put a schedule and you will work on it.
A lot of telephone calls. That's issue. Not an issue, but we have to. I have to handle those. I have to answer those calls.
Oh, okay. So, and these calls are all from the hospitality company, or how is it?
One is for now. We didn't open the yoga center, yoga training center. So related to that, there are some licensing permits. All this work is going on.
Okay, understood. I think plan it accordingly so that those calls will not. You take that calls only during that time, or otherwise allow it to go as a missed call and call them back during the time which you have allocated.
Yeah,
Unless it is not a real emergency. Otherwise,
yeah.
you will. Otherwise, everything gets delayed. No, that's the reason.
Mm-hmm.
Because right now there's an opportunity for you to quickly move the online courses and get it ready.
Sure. I'm thinking that immediately. I think I have to set a time within 1 month or something, or 20 days.
Yeah, because once the lockdown is removed, no, you will get busy in your yoga center after that. In the physical movement to Cochin and yoga center, and again this will go back down.
Your yoga center is in the high range.
Where?
It's in high ranges.
Oh, okay.
Near Thekadi, Munnar.
Oh, that area. Okay.
Yeah.
So, are you doing it within a hotel or property, or how is it the yoga center?
There's a 20 rooms property we leased.
Okay.
For 10 years.
Area. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, very good. Oh, then that's a big business for you then.
Yeah, there is we don't need air condition there. So 7 degrees to 10 degrees, that range always.
It's a beautiful place. I know. I've been there to many. Take a lot. Beautiful place.
Mm-hmm.
You are living in a blissful place only.
Like I always, even when I sleep, I remember this word always: blissfulness, blissful workplace. So it's in I live with it now.
Okay, very good, fantastic, good. So my suggestion to you is before the lockdown gets released or get to normalcy, you will have little extra time and see how you can quickly get the online courses ready, because there are not many people in your niche market right now talking about customer experience delight or customer, because many of them are stuck right now and they all want to know how to give an experience right now, many of them.
True.
So it's a very good opportunity for you to right now to serve many people if you can get the course quickly and see how you can adjust your time and plan that.
Thank you so much. I will do that. I'm sure I'll get a full support from our team, colleagues.
Absolutely, yes.
Many of us are now contacting. We are communicating each other, our members.
Yes, very good. So I hope you're enjoying the TLC community.
Really experience. The hackathon challenge was an amazing one. I never forget it. Because initially I started with, I mentioned it, some of the Indian friends and some of the company owners. Then I got a request, okay, most of the time you worked overseas, and why can't you contact some of the managers or owners? So that was interesting. And then that's how I got more likes and comments.
Very good. That's a very brilliant strategy. Good one. Keep continuing. Keep doing the good work, Vincent. And any help, any time, always reach out. And we are always there to support and help each other. So, anything should I do for you today? Any questions, queries, doubts you have with which I can help you today?
You have already suggested the name, so I like that name, Delight. So normally we use that. Delight, this word always, how to delight your customers.
Okay.
What customers expect from you. You should be always a customer focused person, and you have a business and you always say that this is what I have. If you like, you take it. So this mentality will not work now.
Correct. Very true.
One example I can tell you that when I worked in Maldives, one of the properties, we used to give newspaper printouts, 10 languages, 12 languages every day morning.
Okay.
And there was an audit. Yearly there'll be an audit, environmental friendly, Green Globe, something like that, from UK. So this auditor came and said, then you are wasting papers and you stop it immediately. Stop it. So the company owner and the GM said, okay, tomorrow onwards, no more newspaper printouts. And we completely stopped it. Thereafter, no. But after a few months, a few guests, Japanese guests and Chinese and Russians came and, your property is a 5-star property. You are not providing newspaper. So then we cannot say that because of this we stopped it. So immediately we just decided, there was a international company providing e-newspapers.
Okay. Okay.
So we subscribed it that moment itself. So we got 3-4 requests, and immediately we subscribed it, and then we displayed in television sets in their rooms.
Oh, wow.
So we sold it.
Wow.
So
Very
if we
good.
say that okay, we have a certification, international certification, we cannot do this, and then that we cannot delight.
That's not, customer may not even understand. They can't
Yeah,
understand.
yeah. So
Very interesting.
similarly,
Very
I have
interesting.
several, many examples I have
Wow.
about
Wow.
customer focused.
Have you written any book, Vincent, on these customer delightful experiences?
I have all these points. I think I have to.
You should, before you
complete
forget, write down all these stories, because these stories really makes connection with people. So this is a very good story you just shared of how any problem can be solved. Any problem can be solved still within your policy framework. You didn't bend your
Yes.
policy, you didn't change your policy. You found a creative solution for that. So
Yes.
I think you should start sharing all these things in your audio, video, podcast, and books.
I'm going to start podcasts and YouTube channel. I will already I have a few videos, but now I'm going to regularly interview, because I just mentioned that there are some people, another 10 people in queue to be interviewed.
Excellent.
So soon I'm going to start those recordings, and then I will publish it. But everything because of TLC. Otherwise, I won't do this.
We just became a catalyst. That's all. Still, everything is done by you. We only
So I want
ignited
to
the
become,
spark to you.
that's in our vision of Enso Life. It says that our vision is to be the catalyst and the game changer for lifelong learning and impact the people around us.
Wow, amazing.
That's the vision.
Very nice vision. Okay, let's do that. Okay, that's the whole objective of TLC community also, right? Bring change in a million lives. So thank you very much for being part of it. And
again, I want to congratulate all the participants, all the members of 650 or 40 members of TLC. It's a great opportunity, and we have to share and then impact the people.
Very true, absolutely. Thank you, Vincent, for being an inspiration to every member. Thank you.
And do you have any message for me? Anything special? Any message?
Can you repeat, please? Your voice broken. Can you repeat?
Any message? Any special message for me?
Oh, very simple. Since you've worked into the customer delight process a lot, okay?
Yeah.
Start sharing a lot in YouTube and Facebook, and become little more active over there. Now you've already done it, and see how you can continuously do a lot of video sharing, and see how you can quickly write your book also. That's what I will always suggest you, because of the 29-30 years of 3 decades of experience you're holding in your head.
Mm-hmm.
One thing I will always, if you ask me, Vincent, please become an author. That's what I will immediately tell you right now. Those stories are really powerful.
Sure. I have plenty of stories in Maldives, in Seychelles, in Cambodia. The best place I worked is Cambodia. The associates, the staff members are very friendly, and whatever you say, they will do it. They will not create any issues, any HR issues in Cambodia.
No, just go ahead and write 101 stories of blissful workplace. That's it, with all these stories. See if you can get 101 stories of blissful workplace. I'm telling you, it will become a super hit if you can do that.
Sure. Thank you so much for the fire ignition.
Because there are hardly few life stories books are there. So go ahead and do that. Every corporate company, every hospitality, everyone would love to read that particular book, and push all their managers also to read. If you can just
One more thing I want to tell you is that after the hackathon challenge, I got nearly 300 requests, friendship requests on Facebook.
It will happen always. Yes, very good.
There are some from Cambodia, Sri Lanka, Maldives.
Very good. In Cambodia, where did you work? In Phnom Penh or Siem Reap?
No, near to Siem Reap.
Near to Siem.
Not in Phnom Penh.
Not in Phnom Penh.
300 kilometers away from that.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Very
That
nice.
was the
Beautiful.
that was the first island resort of the country. So I was in
Wow.
the pre-opening team.
Wow.
That
Very nice.
was HR and learning manager there. I trained one local guy and then I moved.
Very good. Very good. Fantastic. What's the name of the city what's the name of the city? Where
This, the property is called Songsa Private Island. Songsa.
okay. Hong Kong.
Songsa means sweethearts.
Okay.
Sweethearts. So
Okay.
there are small islands. So they call their sweethearts.
Very nice. Very nice. Fantastic. Good. Go ahead, and if you have all the pictures of all these beautiful places, I'm sure you will have it in your memory. Go ahead and create that as a workbook. Okay. Or sorry, coffee table book. It will become an amazing success for you. And
Sure,
give
sure,
people.
sure.
Give people.
Yeah.
People
Yes.
will love reading your experiences on all these beautiful islands, and because I see a lot of people in TikTok, no, they actually put these beautiful islands, the huts, videos, and all. They talk about it. So
Yeah.
it's an amazing opportunity you have. Go ahead. Okay, this is my suggestion to you.
I'll
Go
do
and
that.
get the book right.
Sure, sure, sure.
Book
sure,
out
sure.
of your head.
Sure. Today I'll start because I have all these for 10 folders. So I worked all those, everything I have. And some of the points I jot down, I have a diary. So I have to start writing the book.
Absolutely. So go ahead, and anytime any help you need, please let us know. So I should congratulate you one more time for winning the hackathon, and let the hackathon continue. Keep on doing it. And I welcome you for the next hackathon for the month of July. Also participate in that, and let's have lots of fun.
We have got another hackathon.
Every month we will have one new hackathon. Don't worry.
Okay,
Every month
okay.
we'll come up with something new.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the way to increase your marketing and visibility, right? So we will keep on doing it.
And as you say, the authority in social
Yes.
media.
Very true. Very true. Okay, Vincent. So pleasure meeting you today, and have a fantastic day and month ahead. Okay. So please do share your feedback about our one-to-one in our WhatsApp group and FB, and maybe you can
Sure,
take a
I'll do that.
maybe you can take a picture and share with everyone, so that everyone will get motivated from your efforts also, because ultimately we need to motivate and inspire everyone in our community.
Okay, okay. So you will be sharing this recording, right?
I will be sharing this recording. Yes.
All right, all right. Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much once again, Murli sir. All the best. God bless you. Thank
My
you.
pleasure. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.